Hi everyone, this is Karthik from IT Learn. Wanted to give you a quick announcement on the upcoming live trainings and project. So on the 1st Feb, I'm starting a new training team. The first 1-2 weeks of the training will focus a lot on crowd testing fundamentals. So when we're talking about crowd testing, there's a global surge of professional manual testers who know the software testing principles very well in the agile world and how they can effectively execute projects in a distributed team working from home. So to be able to achieve this, there's a lot of skill basics expectations that employers have, and that is what we want to guide you on. So we will focus on this for the first 1-2 weeks and then go into the advanced automation testing training. That will be for members only. And the way I've divided it this time so that we can cover more topics as the following. So there'll be one with automation frameworks. Then we'll go into Cucumber Karate, how that has become popular in the BDD environments, and how we do API testing using Java REST Assured Python requests. Then get into CI/CD and DevOps, and also take a very good look into how we can do automation using Python. I believe these will help you very well in a longer automation career. But even if you're a beginner, please do note there is a lot of requirement on the crowd testing front. So we will play around a lot with mobile applications, web apps, gaming apps during this part of the training. After the live training team, we have the job interview preparations and JPAC projects. That will be from 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. Monday to Friday. Both the links to register are here on go.itlearn.com/live/p/live, and you should be able to sign up from here for both these webinars. I'll see you on the 1st of Feb, and hopefully you'll see the value that it could bring to you when you are approaching in the testing world globally. All the best. Take care. See you soon. Bye all.